Hello, crochet friends. Welcome back to another exciting crochet content series. Let's talk crochet. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you a very exciting topic, and that is fast selling crochet items. If you've ever thought about selling your crochet work, whether online, in a fair, to your friends and family, so I'm going to walk you through different crochet items that you can sell and um, and how to price your items. But first of all, you need to understand that items that that sells first, usually they're usually wearable, useful, affordable to make, and to buy, quick to crochet, and trendy. So it's important that whatever you're making to sell as a crochet project has to be something that is not just for aesthetics, but it's useful and is wearable and something that is really trendy, easy for you to crochet, and it doesn't take a lot of time to make this. Or you want to make items that people will love to wear. I'm going to categorize some of these items. So for the first items that you can crochet, or a fast selling crochet item, is wearables and accessories. So things like beanie, art, pocket heart. These hats are so good and easy to make, fast to make, and one of the best sellers for you as a beginner trying to sell your project. And other accessories you can make is headband and hair warmers, scrunchies, scarves, shawls. You can make these ones are really easy, so you can make this without any delay, without a lot of time, and you can make some money on this type of project, and they sell really fast. And also we have another category of bags and pouches. Everyone loves a very cute handbags, and they are very giftable. So you can make drawstring pouches for makeup, for coins, for dyes, and they are very easy to make. And also you can make tote bags, shoulder bag, crossbody bags. So for the next category is home decor. So for the home decors, you have to make something that is really functionable, and those things are coasters, mug rugs. They're quick and perfect for gifting and kitchen bundles. You can also make these coasters and the mug rugs in bundles, and as well you can make basket and organizer, cricket dishes and bowls. These are great to make also too. They are also fast selling items that you can really make, and they are really quick as well to make. So for the last category, it's going to be personal items and giftables. These little cute things that you can really make. I have a series on that, making little cute things like lip balm holder, keychains, bookmarks, small plushie. That is a amigurumi. And also you can make scrubbies and all these little cute things that you can gift, that are so cute as giftables. These ones are also great fast selling items. And now that we have walked through the items that we can sell, the fast selling items, it is very important for you to add unique flair to your project so you can stand out in the market. Your branding has to be really nice, your packaging, and it will be really great for you to offer different sets like headband plus crunchies, or a pouch plus something. For instance, you can do a pouch plus a card wallet. So these are really great, and it's important for you to promote your brand through social media. And here is a bonus tip. There is a particular season for every different crochet project. So during winter, you need to make scarves or warm accessories and hats. spring, you can do bags, crop tops, and bucket hearts. And when it's back to school period, you can do organizers, pencil pouches, and different organizers for crochet sets. For holidays, you can always go with ornament and gift sets, and also you can make a gift set with dishwash clothes, scrubbies, coasters, and these ones are really great for the holidays. So there you have it, the top crochet items that you can actually sell and why they are so effective for you and me. So, and if you like a downloadables of the fast selling item, let me know. I can create one for you. Until next time, happy crocheting and happy selling.